Hi guys, welcome to Pagapayu channel. Hope you guys would have watched our last video and understood the concept of optimization in project management. So in last video, we have learned how to maximize the building during an year end. Now this video is continuation of the last video. To understand this video better, please do watch last video. In this video, we are going to show how to minimize the project management cost and complete the project in least possible time using the same optimization method with the support of Excel. So the last problem we have solved with certain information, that information for this problem will also remain same, like pending installation work, restrictions and all remain same. We will have only one additional data, which is the project management cost, what the company spending out as a project management cost every day. For ducting, the company spends out around 15,000 rupees. For piping, it's 10,000. For cabling, it's 7,000. Now, we will move to Excel in solving this challenge. We have captured same data in Excel as of last video. Well, the billing rate is not required this time, but pending work is important to calculate the number of days as well as the project management cost. And then man minutes is important, working hours is important, the restriction of 25 labors per day is also important. So now this yellow highlighted column is what we are going to find out. This is the number of labors per day, how many labors it is required per day and how many days it is required to complete the work. So right now I'm keeping 1 here, and the days I feel as 30, I'm changing that. So now we have to calculate how much work will be done per day. So last time also we have calculated that number of labors multiplied by the working hours, which is 8 hours, converting that to minutes, and how many man minutes required to complete that work, which will be your denominator. So similarly calculate for piping cable, then total work done will be your work done per day multiplied by number of days. So you can see the formula links here. So the pending work I have taken here, and then the project management cost. So per day it is mentioned here, what will be the cost? I have calculated per day cost with the number of days, which will be the total cost. So the sum of this will be around 9,06,000 is shown here, but the labors and all will vary after we complete the solution. Now the minimum work 25, 60, 100. Last time also the same condition was there. So to calculate that, we have to maintain a condition. This condition should come less than or equal to 0. Now we move on to solve it. So we have a target to minimize the project management cost. Here, the changing variables will be the number of labors per day and then the number of days. These are the changing variables. And I'm adding the restrictions. The labors has to be less than or equal to the restriction, which is 25. Then number of labors has to be an integer. Then number of days also will be an integer. Then minimum amount of work, this condition last time also we have taken this as less than or equal to 0. Then this work done we will be considering greater than or equal to the pending work, because if we maintain equal to, we will not get a solution because here the number of days as well as the labors are integer as per our condition. So we have added our restrictions. So last time we have used simplex LP method. This time we will be using GRG nonlinear method. Now I am clicking solve. So I am getting a solution which is something around 11,97,000 is my project expense if I'm working with 25 labors, and the maximum days to complete this job will be 39 days. So in case I'm discussing with the customer and I'm increasing this limit to 30 numbers. So now again, I'm clicking solve and I will be getting a solution of 9,95,000. So with that, I can save the project management cost of around 2,02,000 rupees. Everyone who has an experience in project management, they understand with the number of days gets lower, your project expenses also will be higher. And if it goes up, your project management expense also will be on higher side. So it will be better to get permission for more labors and complete the job faster. In this case, it will be only 32 days will be required, even 7 days also the company will be saving. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned a new concept. Wait for more videos, subscribe our channel and click notification buttons for notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.